Another vocabulary question. You guys are good at vocab, so I'm going to give you 20 seconds this time. The time starts now. All right, time's up. Type in your answers. Livium, you think it's A. Ryan, you think it's A. Suhani, you think it's A as well. Okay. All three are correct. Explain through craft and structure how you got to A. So we'll start this time with the other way around. Divyam, you begin. How did you get to A?
The thing is, quality is not very correlating words with all the three options like standard, prestige, and accomplishment. This only clicks or goes along with characteristics, so that's right.
Okay, Ryan, do you have any other reason?
Then the passage they've provided is talking about Jay Gatsby's character, and obviously characteristic fits. I mean, standard, prestige, and accomplishment three talk about like specific parts of a person's character, but overall, it's just talking about his complete character, not one part.
And Suhani, what about you?
The same thing. Once I read the passage, it was pretty much talking about something that Jay Gatsby is doing.
So it's a characteristic of the individual. Okay.
Yes.
All right. Fine. I'll give you another way how you could have gotten. So I told you craft and structure again, right? What is craft and structure? How a sentence is framed. Okay. So when you use a dash,
To separate.
that's to separate. No,
Separate a pause.
no. You don't use a dash to separate. You use a hyphen to connect two words. Maybe that's what you're referring to. But a dash, when you use a dash,
Sir, it was just like, what do you say? It kind of interrupted the sentence in a way, but they still wanted to merge a thing.
no. Then you have to. So what you guys are thinking in terms of, you guys are thinking in terms of modifiers and interrupters. Okay. So a modifier or an interrupter has either a comma on both ends or a dash on both ends. But out here you have a single dash. So, okay, I'll tell you what the use of a dash is. It's one of the uses of a dash is the same as a colon. So if I ask you, what is photosynthesis? Won't you sometimes write photosynthesis dash and then the definition? You've been doing it all your life, guys. Right? It's not something new. So the part after the dash explains something said before it. So when you look at this quality, this is the word here, the quality, you look at the previous sentence and you see there's a dash. So this part is explaining the previous part, what is mentioned immediately before it. Peculiarly American. So being peculiarly American is a characteristic of an American. It is not a standard, because peculiarly, right? It's not to do with prestige, and it is not, being an American is not an accomplishment. So through craft and structure, that's how you get the answer. Got it. So two of you noticed the Gatsby part, and you got it. And I think Divyam, you noticed only one of these is actually some quality, right? Accomplishment is not a quality, prestige is again not a quality, and standard is not a quality at all. But then through craft and structure, I hope you understood how you could have gotten to your answer. Okay.